Hello YouTube, this is Dazza the cameraman, and today we're taking a look at another one of NeddyFlandersRollsss videos where he claims to show Nibiru or Planet X. It's been a while since we've taken a look at one of Neddy's videos, but somebody has asked me to comment on one of his recent videos. This one was uploaded on the 27th of April 2013. So we're going to take a look. Now you'll probably want to set your video quality setting to HD 720p if you can, because some of the stars that we're going to be looking at will be a little bit difficult to see if you use a lower setting. Okay, so here is his video alert, Planet X Co-ordinates in Australia, Queensland, which he uploaded in late April 2013. Let's listen to a couple of minutes and we'll hear him giving a description of what he claims to be Nibiru or Planet X. Please note carefully the description that he gives, and if you can check the dates and times on the various photos that we're looking at, because we will be matching those up with images in Starry Night. So let's have a look at his video.
This is what Planet X looks like of night time, or as it's coming down the sunset, and this is it following. So I'll just go through because I want to bring you up to a few points. There it is there again. You can see the other stars in the. Now I've zoomed it in so you can see the ones that are around with it. There's even two more over there, but I don't think they've got anything to do with it. There's these ones that have always been with it. There they are again. So that's the best shot. Now, this is it here. Just zoom it in for you. Okay. Prior, it's at 6:39 p.m. before it gets to sunset, for some reason, it lights up this area here. You can see it again there. It's even brighter, and there it is again. There's the panhandle up there, the saucepan, or whatever you want to call it.
Okay, I'm just going to stop that there. You just heard Neddy say there's the panhandle, saucepan, whatever you want to call it, up there. Well, what that is the constellation of Orion, of course. It's also known by many people as the pot or the saucepan, and the three bright stars along the bottom of the pot or the saucepan are Orion's belt. So that tells us where exactly we're looking at in the sky. I'm just going to go back so we can have another quick look at that. I'll just replay that short bit again.
Right here. You can see it again there. It's even brighter, and there it is again. There's the panhandle up there, the saucepan, or whatever you want to call it.
Okay, so I've matched that up in Starry Night Pro, and let's have a look and see what we can find. I'm going to flick backwards and forwards, and as I say, you will need to have your quality set to high definition to see what I'm showing you. But I've overlaid this video over Starry Night Pro, and I'm flicking backwards and forwards. Now we're looking at these brighter stars in the constellation of Orion. This is Orion's belt that comes through here. We've got 1, 2, 3 stars vertically. It's Orion's belt, and then we've got these other stars which are part of the constellation of Orion. Now Neddy is pointing out down here is the actual object, although his cursor stopped there. The one he was pointing at was this one here. So we're going to be looking at all of these objects and see if we can match them up. So first of all, I want to concentrate on the stars in the constellation of Orion as I flick backwards and forwards. So you may need to rewind the video or whatever if you want to take a closer look. But what is this object down here that he's been pointing to, which he claims is Nibiru? If we flick backwards and forwards as we focus on this object here, we can see that it's Jupiter. So at this time in late April, Jupiter at 7 p.m, which is the time of this image here, we can see along the bottom, 27th of April 2013, 7 p.m. We've got the same time set, 7 p.m, April 27th. I've set it Sydney, Australia. The exact location won't make too much difference. We're looking from Australia there at that time, and we can clearly see that Neddy's Nibiru or Planet X is actually Jupiter. And we're into May now. Today is the 10th of May 2013, and this is the horizon line. I've got the physical horizon imagery switched off so we can see through, but we can see that on the 27th of April Venus was below the horizon at this time. As we progress through May, Venus is going to be getting higher in the sky, and we can expect that there will be more Nibiru videos, and maybe Neddy will put out new videos claiming that this is Nibiru, which of course will be Venus. Let's just go back to his video again. I just want to be clear that this is the object that he was pointing at, because at the moment the video stopped here with him pointing elsewhere. So I'll just bring this back a little bit and we can take another quick look at that just to be sure.
It's to sunset. For some reason it lights up this area here. You can see it again there. It's even brighter, and there it is again. There's the panhandle up there, the saucepan, or whatever you want to call it.
So he's just mentioned the panhandle or the saucepan again, and here is the object that he's pointing out. And again, if I flick backwards and forwards between Starry Night and his video, we can see that the object that he is pointing out is actually Jupiter. Now Neddy has actually covered some other points earlier and later in the same video, but I've actually covered those off in earlier videos. For example, this image here, which he has also claimed is Nibiru or Planet X. I've covered this one in an earlier video, so I'm not going to recover that one again. It'll just make the video longer. I like to try and keep the video short if I can. So I'll post links in the description area of this video, and you can check out my other videos that I've covered of NeddyFlandersRollsss images that he claims are of Planet X or Nibiru. Thank you for watching. As always, do check out my Facebook discussion page, Voices of Reason to Explain X or VORTEX. I'll put a link for you in the description area. Thank you for watching.